All right, some of you ladies have been asking about my pre-workout. So I just recently bought this from a client because it has beta-alanine in it, and that's the ingredient that makes you itch and tingle. It affects everyone differently. So some people feel it in their nose, and then some people feel it in their hair. It's just funny. So some people don't like it, and if you don't expect it, it really freaks you out. But if your pre-workout has beta-alanine in it, expect some sort of tingle. If you know what's coming, might not freak you out as much. It just kind of gets the blood flow going and gets you focused a little bit more during your workout. So this literally just says pre-workout on the package. It's from a company called WM Nutrition. I had to look it up. There's not anything really on this. I found out online that it has beta-alanine in it, and it has roughly about 100 milligrams of caffeine, which I kind of like. With my pre-workout, I tend to get headaches if I get the normal pre-workouts that have closer to 300 milligrams of caffeine. Like all of your energy drinks have quite a bit, and a lot of those energy drinks, like whether it's Monster or Bangs or the new ones that are really popular, the Rain, those have 2 servings in 1 can. And so a lot of people just drink 1 can, which will get you close to, I think, about 300 milligrams of caffeine, and that's quite a bit. If you are sensitive to caffeine, look at your caffeine intake with your pre-workout. And if you get pre-workout and it does have 3 milligrams of caffeine in it, don't do a full scoop. And definitely don't do an Insta scoop. So what an Insta scoop is what you always see people do on Instagram, and it's like a hover, like it's just a mound on top of the scoop. Okay, so don't do a full scoop if you get headaches really bad. And really, really important, make sure you're drinking enough water in the day if you're doing caffeine. That could also be why you're getting a lot of headaches. You're dehydrated, all right? All of my clients, I make them drink 128 ounces a day, all right? So this pre-workout, the instructions on it say to take 15 to 20 minutes before your workout. I'll normally take it at home, drive to the gym, and then by the time I'm done warming up, I start to feel things going. And then this is to be taken straight to mouth, requires no water. Now that part I call bullshit, because it's like a pixie, like an adult pixie stick. No, I am definitely washing this down. Now, I have recently done my measurements and I'm losing my muscle mass. Ladies, this happens a lot to us because we normally do aerobics, cardio to lose a lot of weight, and we also diet, and that can eliminate a lot of your muscle. Now, if you're doing it correctly and you're adding in weightlifting with a side of cardio, there's still a chance that you maybe aren't eating enough protein, okay? It's just difficult for us women to keep our muscle mass and to gain muscle mass. That is where creatine comes in. And I really like Caged Muscle. Chris Gethin really knows his shit, and this is a good brand. So I got this from him. If you want to look at other products that I suggest, go to tfltrainer.com/product-page. And I'll make sure there's a link at the bottom of this video, but you can get this. And it's a small container, but you don't need a whole lot. This has 75 servings in it, and it's a very, very tiny scoop. So how do I combine these two? This you would normally mix in with like a BCA or a protein drink or any other flavored or water. It's unflavored. I would beg to differ. I made the mistake one day pouring this in my mouth first, then this. This tastes like pure salt with a side of lemon. Like, oh, do not. I mean, if you really want to torture yourself, go for it. But this I would suggest to top on top of this because this is flavored. I'm going to try a new one. They have one that was like a green apple. I'm going to do the berry today. So wish me luck. And I'm doing this on camera, so I hope this is good. I am not in correlation with this company really quick. Literally, my client just doesn't like beta-alanine. And I was like, well, it doesn't bother me. I'll buy it from you so it's not wasted. Okay. And then she went and bought some other supplements. I just don't want my clients to like suffer through something that they don't like. So I just took it from her. Beta-alanine, I've taken it for probably a little while that it just doesn't do that much to me. So it doesn't bother me. All right. And look at how cute this tiny little creatine scoop is. Like, oh. Okay, now I'm not going to do an Insta scoop, right? I'm going to do a leveled scoop. And you can read, sometimes it does tell you to do a heaping scoop. AKA Instagram scoop. But yeah, a lot of newbies, when you see people take their pre-workout, they do a big Instagram scoop. So you all think, oh, that's what I have to do. Okay. Read your instructions. Those are just crazy Instagram people. All right. Berry flavor down the hatch. Here we go. Okay. Berry is not my favorite. Oh, nope. It's like a cherry, like cold medicine. And I hate cold medicine. Yep. So there you go, guys. Now that's not normally how you take pre-workout. Normally you'll mix it in a shaker with water. And it's a lot better. A little side tip too. If you're not used to eating a lot of sugary things or sweet things in your diet, some pre-workouts can be super sweet and just too intense. And so I personally mix more water with my pre-workout. Yes, you have to drink more before your workout and you might have to go pee, but so much better than like the really sweet tart flavor of your pre-workout. So, or if you don't like to drink a lot of water before your before your workout, then you might only mix bare minimum. Just read the instructions. A lot of them tell you about 8 to 12 ounces. I don't do that. I do it based off of flavor. And I haven't read anything that really distracts like from the effects of your pre-workout. So you'd be fine. All right. Well, I just wanted to talk about my lovely pre-workout routine. I've got quite a bit of these, so this is going to be happening for quite a while. And I have quite a bit of the berry ones, so that's a shame. Those are going to be fun. Thank goodness it doesn't last very long. All right, make sure you check out tfotrainer.com. You got programs on there that you can follow. My workout app has video demonstrations. It's not just to follow this workout, this is what to do. I am training you. I'm giving you all the knowledge that you need. I'm giving you videos on how to do it properly. So check it out. Let me know if you have any specific questions. Always feel free to reach out to me. And thanks, guys.